Hi everyone, my name's Sirena,
Hi, I'm Kenza.
and we work for Eco Quartier NDG as outreach agents for the collection of food waste.
So today we are going to talk to you about the Compost Collect, which is now compulsory starting on the 20th of May of this year. So we are going to define what the compost is, we will see the process and the impact of compost. We will see what tools we give to you to participate to compost, what we can compost and what we have to avoid inside the compost, the compostable bags and the alternatives, and we will give you some tips and tricks to help you during the collect.
So compost is made through the decomposition of food waste and other organic materials. And after the collection of the food waste, it is brought to the environmental complex of Saint-Michel, where they use the bacteria to break down organic matter. Decomposers include worms, mushroom, other insects, and bacteria. These decomposers eat the organic material that turns into dirt, which then becomes nutrient-rich soil.
So why it's so important to participate to the compost collect is because now a lot of our food waste ends up in the garbage, go at the landfill and is burned. So one part of the solution is to reduce the quantity of our dishes so we can reduce the quantity of greenhouse gases and we can use the compost, the nutrient from the compost for agriculture or gathering.
So once you receive your countertop bin, the first thing you want to do is check and see if it's complete. Here's a list of all the items that should be included in your countertop bin. This includes 5 disposable paper bags, a coupon for the first time you buy those same bags, an informative brochure, a countertop sticker that reminds you of what is and is not accepted into the collection of food waste, and as well as a letter from the mayor of Côte-Neige Notre-Dame-de-Grâce. The large brown bins will be placed either outside or in your building, so make sure to ask your janitor where they keep them. This is where you will throw out your food waste, and it's important to note that the compost pickup is on Thursday, so even if your bin is not full, please throw your food waste in your building's brown bin on Wednesdays.
So what you can put inside the compost is basically food waste. Things which is organic and what you can eat, like fruit, vegetables, meat, seafood, eggshells, banana peels, meat bones. You can take a picture of the slide if you want to remember what you can put inside. We also accept soiled cardboard like pizza boxes and tissues. But during the pandemic, we don't accept tissue that we use for our nose. But if you want to clean a mess with, you can throw it in the brown garbage. It's okay.
Recyclable items should not go in the food waste bin, so avoid putting metal, plastic, and glass. Here's an extensive list of what you absolutely cannot put in the food waste bins. Feel free to take a photo or screenshot of the slide to help you remember what to avoid.
So the bags for the compost collect has to be 100% compostable. So it's not compulsory to use paper bags, but it has to be compostable bags. So no plastic bags is allowed. If you don't want to buy compostable bags, you can also use newspaper or flyers because it's compostable. If you want to make sure that you choose the good ones, you can pay attention at some certifications like the B&Q's logo, Bureau de normalisation du Québec, and the BPI's logos, Biodegradable Products Institute. You have to keep in mind that whatever which is compostable is biodegradable, but whatever which is biodegradable is not necessarily compostable. So you have to be careful to choose the compostable bags.
So now we're going to mention some tips and tricks that might be useful to you. For example, to eliminate odor that may come from your countertop bin, you can wrap your food waste, such as meat and seafood, in newspapers and store it in the freezer until Wednesday, the day before the collection. Another tip is making sure there's always a layer of paper at the bottom of the bin to absorb liquids to prevent things from sticking to the bottom. Finally, if there is a lingering smell after you've thrown out your food waste, gently wash your countertop bin with hot water, soap, and vinegar solution to clean your bin.
To conclude, compost is just a decomposition of organic materials. Like only food waste, organic food waste is accepted in the collect. No plastic, no liquid, metal or glass is allowed. The collection is on Thursday and you have to check is if your kit is complete and if the bag that you use is 100% compostable.
If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to call, email, or visit Eco Quartier NDG. Thank you.